Good morning, my name is Andrew O'Vera, and these are my partners.
Firas Gala.
Dolph Salgado.
And we are from Cy Springs High School. Our teacher is Mr. Marcus, and our hunch director, Mr. Glenn Johnson. And we would like to introduce you on our take on the duster arm. But first, I would like to start off with our problem, which is dust collection. Astronauts do not have time to collect dust, meaning mostly because they have more important tasks to take care of. So that's why they asked us to create and design a duster arm. The only problem we really had with creating this duster arm was figuring out a model that can allow both sweeping and vacuuming to work together simultaneously. And here, if you look down just here in inspiration, you can see just some of the existing products that we had for inspiration, such as the vacuum and the bristle sweeper. Now we move on to the problems we solved, Mr. Peters.
Okay, so the problems we were trying to solve is we made a product that takes care of dust collection, while astronauts take care of data and try to improve the ways in space. Now, this is our first model. Now, there's some flaws in our first model. As you can see, these bristles are they're really dull, really easily damaged, and as you can see, there's not much bristles. Another flaw is there's the hole in here is really small. Dust will get compacted in there. As you can also see, the tube is kind of flexible when we need a jerk type motion. It's really flexible. We don't really need that. We need it kind of stiff. Now, as you can see in our second model, it's kind of different. Now, this is what we use, something like this, right, to hold our bristles. Right, so we use these big holes to hold our bristles, and these little holes are for little amounts of dust that gets caught up in the bristles to go down into right here. So they go down right into the vacuum will be right here, and then when you I just started babbling. And now that's it. Now it's Adolfo with our data and research.
So, our final materials for this project, we used a plastic vacuum tube. We were trying to get one of these more flexible tubes, but we weren't able to find them. We were also able to get these bristles. I just took them off a brush. And then the funnel head, we tried, this is obviously plastic, but we're trying to make it out of silicone so it wouldn't scratch any surfaces. The data that we collected was that we poured in pencil shavings on the table, and we just started, we inserted the vacuum inside of it, and we just started collecting the dust from the pencil shavings. And then over here we have some questions. One of them is, what is the minimum height or length of the dust arm needs to be qualified? Another one's, do I have to worry about it being chargeable or battery filled? And these were some of the questions, and thank you for your time.